I invite you to my review of Jungbub to study together. Jungbub is this lecture from Master Cheongong. I'm Korean. English is a foreign language to me, so please understand my Konglish. I'll try to make sense in English as possible as I can, and you could help me with it. We see a lot of people suffered from depression. Depression can get worse when we can't have a meaningful conversation. A good friend can keep you away from being depressed. If you don't want to be bothered to engage relationships with people, since you are tired from the former or even current relationships, books and lectures like Jungbub can be good friends until you are ready. I had been suffered from depression quite a long time. It wasn't good at all. Depression can make you feeling numb about things around us. I didn't feel safe about being myself. I didn't know who I was. I'm learning who I am now by listening to Jungbub, and it's like taking a wonderful journey to find it. I started this review work since I realized I should do something for what I got from the word. I'm not that confident with that I could give anything meaningful to you. It will be too much to expect. The only reason I'm doing it because I don't know any better. To be honest, I don't have many things to offer or share. I found my hope in Jungbub. So there might be someone could find the same thing and learn things for their lives. They say we should understand this word as energy. We produce energy by speaking. There can be good energy and bad energy depending on what we say. If someone can say something for us, it will be the true help that person can give us. They say we should understand this word as energy. We produce energy by speaking. There can be good energy and bad energy, depending on what we say. If someone can say something for us, it will be the true help that the person can give us. That's my dream. Someday, I want to be someone who cares about the world enough so I can say things for the world. Hope. You can find your dream. When you have a dream, when you have a hope, depression cannot bother you that bad.